out of every 3 people in India eat rice every single day. It's not a side dish here, it's the backbone of a nation's diet. Now, a new study says that the backbone is more fragile than anyone thought. 6.6%. That's how much of India's rice yield could vanish for every single degree Celsius the planet heats up. And here's the part that should worry scientists. It's more than 3 times higher than what earlier models predicted. So what changed? Researchers at the Helmholtz Centre for Environmental Research didn't just run computer simulations. They went to 214 real rice fields around the world, measured what actually happened when temperatures rose, and compared it to 7 of the top crop models used today. The models were off by half. They predicted a 3.8% loss. The real fields showed 8.1%. The reason comes down to one number: 30 degrees Celsius. Cross that threshold, especially while rice is flowering and forming grain, and the damage compounds fast. And the places most exposed? They're right here. India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh saw their projected losses triple, jumping from 2.1 to 6.6% per degree. And rice isn't alone. Scientists have found the same warning signs in wheat and maize. Maize, in fact, may be the most heat-sensitive staple crop of all, with some models projecting losses of up to 24% by the end of the century. This isn't India's first warning either. High heat days have already been wilting wheat and rice across the country in recent years. A May study tracking crop data from 1966 to 2016 found that 1 degree Celsius of warming cuts India's average yield across all crops by 8%. Pearl millet lost as much as 19%, maize over 16%. In the hardest hit districts, yields fell by nearly 40%. So what does this actually mean? It means the food security plans built on older projections may already be outdated. Every fraction of a degree the world warms brings the reproductive stage of rice crops closer to a danger zone scientists once thought was further away. While the climate math is simple, the consequences for the plate on our table are not. The clock on fixing that gap is already running. Thank you for watching.